So this helicopter hit the power lines and knocked them down into the river and got the road closed. That's where the power lines came down. That's where the power lines used to be. The helicopter is sitting over there behind me, and it still has the power lines hanging off the helicopter, and they're all Apaches. And there's the helicopter, and there's the other helicopters. There's several still on patrol. I may be going around to Costco tonight or going back to Othello, but yeah, the helicopter still has the power lines hooked off onto it.